Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how you can download all game data in Dragon Ball Legends. So I made this video is for beginner new into this game. So this is maybe the Dragon Ball series is your favorite anime. So this is the Dragon Ball Legends. So I'm a returning player. In this moment I will show you if you are make a new fresh start of a new download this game. You can find that this game is not full download at all. You have to download separately or download manually, so your game will not making a progress by every you tap the new event or new challenge. It will downloading. But no worries, you can download all game data just by tapping the menu and tap the others and tap the option, tap the others again once more time, and this one, download all. You can download the game data in advance. Is it possible to shorten load times by downloading all necessary game data in advance? Once the game data has been downloaded, you will return to title screen. Tap this and it will check size and this one. You have to learn about this before you download all game data. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe. Also click the button below. Enjoy the game.